Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Myself Tirth, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine. So today I am going to discuss the remaining topic, that is part B of the tax rate, which is a topic of CA final direct tax. Now before moving forward, please help yourself. The notes of this topic is already provided in the description column. Now, as you would be knowing that part A for individual tax rate, partnership tax rate, company tax rate, marginal relief, rebate, new amendments of section, then other sections of tax, it is already covered in part A. Now we would be covering the remaining topic, the remaining tax rate, that is tax rate of capital gain topic. Now section 112 is for Ldcg at the rate 20%. If any nature of capital asset, that is C, unlisted shares, immovable property or any other capital asset. If unlisted shares or immovable property is held for more than 2 years and any other capital asset is held for more than 3 years, then if it is sold, then it would be treated as a long-term capital asset and long-term capital gain is levied at the rate 20%. Section 112A. Ldcg in excess of 1 lakh at the rate 10%. Held for more than 1 year. It means the nature of capital asset, like say listed equity shares or equity oriented mutual funds or units of business trust, if it is held for more than 1 year, then it is treated as a long-term capital asset and a long-term capital gain is levied under section 112A if in excess of 1 lakh at the rate 10%. Please take care that in case of listed equity shares, STT needs to be paid on acquisition and transfer both. But in case of equity-oriented units or mutual fund or units of business trust, STT is to be paid on transfer only. Moving further, section 111A, STCG at the rate 15%. If any nature of capital asset for like C listed equity shares, units of UTI or equity-oriented mutual fund or business trust or a zero coupon bond, if it is held for less than 1 year and then if it is sold, then it is to be treated as a short-term capital asset and short-term capital gain at the rate 15% is to be levied under section 111A. Moving further, section 115 Bbta. In this case, if any Indian company is investing 26% or more in any foreign company, then in such case it is to be treated as an associate enterprise. Now, if in such case any foreign company distributes or declares dividend to such Indian company, then tax would be levied at the rate 15% plus surcharge would be 7% or 12% as the case may be, plus H at the rate 4%. Okay, moving forward. Section 115 Bbta. If dividend in excess of 10 lakhs is to be received by any person, then it is to be taxed at the rate 10% in case of section 115 Bbta. Please to be noted that the dividend is to be taken for aggregate of all companies. मतलब अगर A लिमिटेड, B लिमिटेड, C लिमिटेड, D लिमिटेड इन सभी कंपनीज में से अगर डिविडेंड आता है कोई A पर्सन को, अगर वो 10 लाख से ज़्यादा है तो 115 BBDA में 10% टैक्स लेविएबल है. It is applicable to foreign company whose poem is in India. It means 115 BBDA foreign company को भी leviable होगा जिसका poem India में है. That is, place of effective management is in India. It is not applicable to 12AA trust, 1023C trust or institution or domestic company. इसका मतलब अगर कोई भी डोमेस्टिक कंपनी अगर किसी भी दूसरे डोमेस्टिक कंपनी में इन्वेस्टमेंट करती है तो फिर अगर वो कंपनी अगर डिविडेंड इश्यू करती है, अगर वो 10 लाख से ज़्यादा है तो डोमेस्टिक कंपनी को टैक्स लेविएबल नहीं होगा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. सेक्शन 115O. It is a section for DDT. It is the very important section and it is mostly asked in the exams. DDT at the rate 15% plus surcharge 12% plus health and education cess is 4%. Grossing up concept is applicable here in section 115O. Now, for the section 222A to 222D, DDT would be leviable at the rate 15% plus surcharge 12% plus health and education cess 4%. but only for the specific section 222E, that is dim dividend in case of loans, DDT at the rate 30% plus surcharge 12% plus health and education says 4% is to be levied. Moving further, it is note for all above sections that deductions under section 28 to 44C or section 57 is not allowed to any sections that is mentioned above. Also, deduction under chapter 6A is also not available to all the sections that is mentioned above. Basic exemption limit is not available to any sections that is mentioned above, but there is an exception. That is for section 112, 112A and 111A, basic exemption limit is applicable only in the case of individual and HUF. Moving further, surcharge in case of STCG under section 111A, Ldcg under section 112A. No matter how high the income of the SSE, surcharge shall not exceed 15% on STCG under section 111A and Ldcg under section 112A. प्लीज यहाँ पे आप लोग ध्यान रखिएगा कि सिर्फ इन दो सेक्शंस के लिए ही जो सरचार्ज है वो 15% से एक्सीड नहीं होगा, बाकी सभी इनकम पे जो भी एसएससी की इनकम होगी उसके बेस पे सरचार्ज एप्लीकेबल होगा. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ say STCG and LTCG income under section 111A and 112A 50 lakhs and other income is 45 lakhs, then the total income would be 95 lakhs. So basically if we treat this, then surcharge would be applicable if the income is exceeding 50 lakhs, then at the rate 10%. So here the surcharge would be applicable on STCG or LTCG at the rate 10% and also in other income 10%. In second case, STCG or LTCG income is 6 crores and other income is 45 lakhs, and then the total income would be 645 lakhs. And in such case, if we go for the surcharge table, then if the net taxable income is exceeding 5 crores, then the surcharge would be applicable at the rate 37%. But in this case, as discussed here, no matter how high the income of the SSE, surcharge shall not exceed the 15% on STCG. It means here, no matter how high the income is, surcharge would be on STCG and LTCG at the rate 15%. Now we need to see the balance income. Here the balance income is 45 lakh. That means it is below 50 lakhs. So as per the surcharge table, the surcharge would be nil. But please take care that whatever the surcharge rate is there for STCG or LTCG, and in other case, if the other income surcharge rate is below such STCG or LTCG surcharge rate, then we need to take the exact surcharge rate for LTCG और STCG. इसका मतलब इस केस में भले ही 45 lakhs है और नील सरचार्ज रेट आएगा, लेकिन हमने जो भी सरचार्ज रेट STCG और LTCG का लिया वही सेम टू सेम हमें अदर इनकम का भी लेना होगा, भले ही उसके इनकम 50 लाख से कम हो. थर्ड, if the STCG or LTCG income is 1 crore and other income is 3 crore, then the total income would be 4 crores. Then in that case, if we go for surcharge table, तो वहाँ पे surcharge अगर exceeding 2 crores up to 5 crores, then the surcharge tax would be 25%. And here STCG or LTCG income is 1 crore. That falls between the 50 lakhs to 1 crore slab. Then in that case 10% surcharge is to be leviable. But for the other income it is 3 crores. That falls into slab of 2 crores up to 5 crores. And in that case surcharge is leviable at the rate 25%. हमें यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है कि अदर इनकम 2 करोड़ से 5 करोड़ के बीच में फॉल होती है तो उसका तो हमें 25% ले ही लेना है, लेकिन STCG और LTCG का 1 करोड़ है तो वो 10% में फॉल होगा, लेकिन हमें 15% से ज़्यादा कोई भी टैक्स नहीं लेना है. इसका मतलब ये 4 करोड़ है तो वो 25% स्लैब में एप्लीकेबल होगा. तो उसके हिसाब से यहाँ पे 3 करोड़ अदर इनकम पे तो हमने 25% ले लिया. पर इन केस ऑफ STCG और LTCG, no matter how high the income of the SSE is, surcharge shall not exceed 15%. मतलब यहाँ पे STCG और LTCG में 25% आना चाहिए, लेकिन इस सेक्शन के हिसाब से हमें यहाँ पे 15% से ज़्यादा नहीं लेना है। I hope you got this. Now I'm concluding this video. I hope you find this video useful. In case of any query or suggestion, please do comment in the comment section below. Please like and share the video with your friends. Also, please do subscribe to my channel for more of such useful videos. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon to stay tuned and connected with us. Also, you can follow us on social media as per the links provided in description column. Thank you.